Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how you can start your this is too big. Your Google form for your tax business, for your tax business, so you can collect a lead from social media or anywhere else. So and I want ChatGPT, I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to add a spot where people can put keyword example, like instead of creating a form for each of your video, you have a one standard form, but each video you can tell them, oh, drop the in the form, fill up the form and drop the words uh self-employment, self-employed, or hashtag trucker student. So based on that, you're gonna know what type of form they need you to send them back. So I already did an example where I told ChatGPT I don't use perfect prompts. So for a beginner, it's good to learn to speak to ChatGPT. So I want to create a Google form to collect lead for my tax business. Give me some example I can use, please. A section where people can put a word or hashtag so I can know which form to send them. So you see, ChatGPT understand it. So it give me a way to lay everything. So example and what to ask, but even went further and ask other question. We're gonna just do for this video a simple one where they ask them for the name, phone number, email, and uh where to put the keyword that was given to them. So we will do that. The rest, feel free to edit it or not. So I even went further and now it proposed to me because one of my niche is warehouse worker or self-employed. So proposed to me to do a example. So I asked him to do it and to add at the top a help statement. All right, let's see what they give it to us. Yeah, so you see, I help whereas worker get every tax credit and deduction they deserve, even if they think they don't qualify. I don't like that one. Uh, when I qualify for credit and deduction, most tax office overlook. Fill out this quick form so we can match you with the filing, whatever it is. So I did I help statement that I'm gonna use that it is different from this one, or I can ask him to give me more. Okay, let's see. More I help, five more I help statement would give me something unique and really helpful that will make my audience act and contact me for more. So it's gonna give us five. I like this one already. Even if they've never claimed work related edition. Okay. And it say why. I help warehouse and production worker find hidden tax break the worker qualify them for the one most tax office kit. The ones so where you work, this creation, FIMO and stuff. So I help warehouse employee who work long hour get every dollar they owe. without spending hour doing paperwork. I have what else we get. So that's I like those. So we're gonna use those. So let's go back and yeah. So now we're gonna go to the Google form and what how you can access the one thing when you are on your email, you go on Google form, Google those thing here, hamburger thing or something, and you scroll down until you get to form, or you can just Google it, Google Doc form. So click on a blank form. So here the title's gonna be okay, let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, that's the help for tax. Okay, this is the title. So it's like GPT smart. So it gave me a title already. So all we do is copy and go to Google Form and paste. So here you can change the way the words are. You gotta select it and everything. So a description. So this is the description, but I'm gonna take this one to make it moderately easy. So copy and you can click on form description and you do copy paste. Okay. So I have a worker. So that we done with that. Now we're gonna add locations. Okay. So this section gonna be contact information, copy, and then here it asks for full name, phone number, email address. So that's what we're gonna add. So that was that was we had to add a new section. All right. So I did add name. So how we did that? I'm gonna show you. So click on that plus sign, education, and you see it education. So here at the top, we're gonna put phone number. So if you wanna make it bold, so you'll highlight it and click on bold. So it become bold. So here, short answer. So this is where you see where it is at the top of right. So when you click on it, it gives you what format that answer should be. So this you got me to can add all type. So um this we can phone number, paragraph, checkbox. It doesn't let you specify if it should be a number. So we just gonna put a short answer, okay, instead of paragraph. So keep it short answer. So what else we have here to add another one? You can either do copy, duplicate. See, or you can click it here. So we did duplicate. So we're gonna ask for the email. And this one gonna be a short highlight, but what we're gonna do is this one, we're gonna make it require because we need an email for you wanna collect an email, okay? to send them a form, get in touch and nurture, start a conversation. So we're gonna make that require. So the others, you can make like the name, you can make it a require, you can make the phone number require for them to give you, even though most of the time some will give you a fake phone number. So you can make it, feel free to make it require. So this is so far, and at this point you can preview it. Go to that eye, little eye, so you see how it looks so far. So we're gonna add more staff. Okay, now we're gonna add the part that we asked for the keywords. So I did ask a question. So ChatGPT here is saying hashtag keyword tracking. That's the section. What keyword or hashtag brought you here? So I'm gonna copy that and put that here, and I'm gonna highlight it. Then here I'm gonna add a title or description. So I was supposed to add it under it. Okay. So how to add that? I want to add it under there. So click at the bottom or next to require and description. So you see, so here we're gonna go ahead and copy here, put some example warehouse. So that's to tell them, or I can just add, I'm gonna go ahead and add this here too. Go to the next line. So this help us send you the right tax form and match you to the correct filing process. So I can, I'm gonna do this and match you with the correct. All right. So, and all right. I think it look better like that. All right. Um, I think gonna, uh, it take too much from, no, I take it off. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the answer here, we're gonna still keep short answer, or we can put paragraph. Or if you, in case you sure, which I will not advise, if you have a list of, you already know that I did 10 lead magnet, I'm not gonna add, which that's not possible sometimes. You're always gonna add some. So if you have a list of um thing, you did 10 form and each of them got a word linked to it: warehouse, referral, owner operator, self-employed, and everything like that. So you can put it on multiple choice or checkbox or drop downs, a checkbox, so they can check the one they needed to. So otherwise you just leave it short answer and put a chat GPT say to make it required. So that's what it advise. So let me take off this. Okay, this was supposed to go at the bottom. So this is how you to drag it. All right. So I'm gonna copy this again. I think it'll be use the keyword given to you below so I know where to send you your form. Is it necessary? We're gonna leave it. So this is so far, this is how he look like. You can add the way that there is a little introduction there. So at the bottom, we can add a form. We're gonna go ahead and add something at the bottom with all your social link and everything. Yes, but then I will show you something. All right. I wanted to ask the test because I thought of something. Put your information, the phone numbers, and how to get in touch, the link to go to your social media. So I asked it and it gave me this form. So I went and added, just copy, and I added it at the end. You see? So what else I'm gonna add? I'm gonna put that at the end. So I'm gonna add one more thing that was in a question. I wanted to add as kind of like a description or something. So here, click on that title. Okay, so I'll put it like that. So you see, at the end of your form, it's gonna show. So let's see how it's gonna look. So the beginning you got, they fill up the form, what keywords, anything. So at the end, this is how it look. Isn't that professional? So now I'm going to show you how to take that to another level. So uh, let's go back to Google Form. So this is it. So now you can the background color, you can work on it and put like scroll down, change the color. You see how you change the color, green. You see? So if you just keep it there. But I'm going to take it to another level. I wanted to add an image behind it. So I'm going to show you guys. Let's show how it look for now. So this is how it look. So let's add that image. So click to this and scroll down, choose image, and there you go, upload to your computer. And then I'm gonna pick up pictures of, so you can put a flyer behind it or something nice. So let's just try. Or your logo. I don't know, those are the reviews. Those are reviews. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do this flyer. And let's see. Okay. All right. So we do that. See? So it's better to really let me choose a better one. Something that show. Okay, tax advance because the season didn't start yet. Okay. So I'm gonna put the tax advance thing and see if I can put the this is too big. So you guys see the picture. If I had a picture that was a little bit smaller that can fit, that's what I will put there. Okay. So go back and do, let me see if this will work better. Okay. let's just use this. But you see the picture, okay? So there you go. So that's even better. So you see the picture, you can choose and put. So let's see how that looks. So this is what people gonna see. But I don't this makes sense, but I prefer something. Yeah, I am just that way. So let's just choose something else. All right, get back with you guys. All right, so this is the end result, even though I could have walked a little bit on make it that open daily show fully or doesn't show at all. So, but this is what I prefer. I can do better. You will see probably I will come back and change some stuff. So this is isn't this look professional and get people attention and they understand. So this is how it looks when you the people open your form, they fill it up and everything. So let's publish this. So I think we did everything that we needed. So let's change the name here. Um that's the form. Can call it tax form or leads. This is for the name that you see. So people don't see that. So this is so far what if you wanted, you could add a picture at the bottom or somewhere. Let's try to do that. Okay, that's silly though. All right, let's see. Let's add some review. All right, there you go. You see? This is how it looks at the end. So you add a picture at the bottom. All right, let's I overdo those things. I enjoy doing them. So if you need somebody to work on your form, you don't have time to do it, contact me. I really charge a cheap for those things. So I can do it your form for you. So we done now. Next, what you have to do, that's the number on here is my number on the form. So you click on publish. Okay. Anyone with the link can see it. So you can click on manage. So to select all the stuff, editor, the person cannot edit it, but if you want it, you can change it there. Some of the form responder view, anyone with the link can see it. So that's where you go. All right, now we're gonna publish it. So it automatically give you the link that you can copy and start putting, but I advise this is too long, so do the short thing. So you see, it give you a shorter one. So what I usually do, I go to Google. I have a form, a Google Doc document with my in-person link or affiliate. So you add it to that. So I can add it as I can add that. This come to the end. All right. So Google form to capture lead for tax office. So then I put the link. So it's a lot easier. Each time that I need it, I just come to that thing and copy and paste it. Okay. So that's the form. You got the form, the link for the form. And each time somebody uh fill it up the form. They will send you an email to your email, and you will know that you received it too. So you can go here and click to make up the make this quiz assign point. That's if you doing like a coaching. Manage how it's collected. Collect email address. Do not collect because the email is in it. Verify, respond, I'll do verify, collect, send responder a copy of. Yeah, so always. So those are up to you. So if somebody wanna be able to come back and read it, I give that option. Why not? Limit if you want to put that the limit is just one time, not worth it. So presentment or form 100% not presented. So you see, so that's you can play on those things, and each time that you come to that specific form, you're gonna see all the answer. When people start answering to it, you're gonna start seeing the answer. Okay, so let's just use an example. So I'm gonna open a new one and paste the link, and ta-da, you got the form. Okay, all right. That's all I had to show you guys today. I hope you get some. So that's the email to be included with my responses. So each time somebody put the link, you remember I did that thing that always collect the email. So it will automatically put the person email here. So you're gonna get it. So let's say they try to give you a fake email, you got this email. You're gonna take two emails. All right, so that was all I got to share with you guys. I hope you got some nugget from this. If you enjoy it and you got some from it, share it with all the people that you know that might need it, that is in business, that might need to create form. They can be tax preparer, they can be bookkeeper or anything. Anybody doing any self-employment or safe business, share it, help me. If you need me to do your form or any other digital style product for you, feel free to contact and we'll talk about it. And I'm pretty sure we're going to find a way to work together. All right. Thank you. Until next time, keep the hustle on.